Welcome back to Give Good Face, where we bring you the best fitness tips and workouts to keep you in shape and feeling great. Ready to get those glutes on fire? Today, we're focusing on a fantastic exercise that will really target those muscles and help you build strength and tone. Today, we are showing you an awesome move called the fire hydrant exercise. This move is not only effective but also fun to do, and it can be easily incorporated into your regular workout routine. It's quick, effective, and low-impact, perfect for any fitness level. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced fitness enthusiast, this exercise is a great addition to your regimen. First up, let's talk setup. Getting the right form is crucial to maximize the benefits and avoid any potential injuries. Get on all fours with your hands right under your shoulders and knees under your hips. This position is known as the tabletop position. Keep that back nice and straight and brace your core. Engaging your core will help stabilize your body and ensure that you're working the right muscles. You'll look like a tabletop. Easy, right? Now, the fun part. This is where we start to really feel the burn and get those glutes working. Lift your right knee out to the side, keeping it bent at 90 degrees. Make sure to keep your movements controlled and steady. Imagine a dog lifting its leg at a fire hydrant. That's where the name comes from. It's a fun way to remember the movement. Hold it for a second at the top, then lower it back down. That's one rep. Ready for more? Let's keep going and really feel that muscle engagement. Aim for 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps on each side. Feel that burn? That's a sign that your muscles are working hard and getting stronger. That's your glutes working hard. The more you practice, the more you'll notice improvements in strength and tone. A few tips to maximize your gains. Remember, form is key. Keeping the right posture will help you get the most out of this exercise. Keep your core tight and avoid shifting your weight. This ensures that the focus remains on your glutes and not on other muscle groups. Be sure to breathe. Proper breathing can make a big difference in your performance and endurance. Exhale as you lift. Inhale as you lower. This breathing pattern helps you maintain control and rhythm throughout the exercise. Why is this exercise so great? It's not just about building muscle. It's about improving your overall fitness and functionality. It's all about targeting those gluteus medius muscles, which help with hip stability and overall lower body strength. Strong glutes are essential for many daily activities and sports. Plus, it can help improve your posture and balance. Good posture is important for preventing injuries and maintaining a healthy spine. All wins in my book. Feeling adventurous? Let's take it up a notch and add some variety to keep things interesting. Try adding a resistance band around your thighs for extra challenge. This will increase the intensity and help you build even more strength. Or combine it with other glute exercises like bridges or squats for a full lower body workout. Mixing different exercises can help you target various muscle groups and prevent boredom. Remember, consistency is key. You won't see results overnight, but stick with it and you'll be rocking those toned glutes in no time. Track your progress to stay motivated and see how far you've come. So, there you have it. The fire hydrant exercise. Simple, effective, and totally doable. It's a great way to add some variety to your workout and keep things fresh. Give it a try and let us know how it goes in the comments below. We love hearing about your experiences and progress. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more fitness tips and workouts. Your support helps us create more content for you. Thanks for watching and keep moving. Stay active, stay healthy, and we will see you in the next video.